So we got this situation. So we have to integrate x by 1 plus x power 4. Now look at this. You know that directly we cannot integrate this function. So for that we have to take substitution. Okay. But look at the point. If you will take, because you know that with denominator we are having problem. So if you will take denominator as z, you will have what? Dz by dx equals 4x cube. Correct? But you cannot manipulate this. Okay? You can manipulate, but you will have some problem. Like, look at this situation. So you know that you will be using x dx, है ना? So dz we will have 4x square. We will take that 4x square this side, 4x square this side, and then x dx. Correct? So you can manipulate this thing as, you will have dz by 4x square and then z. Correct? Now you have problem with this x square. So how will you get rid of this x square? This is problematic thing. Okay. So you know that if we will take that thing as z, we will be in a big problem. So look at this, how we will get rid of this situation. So the idea is, you know that you have no way out. You have to take something as z. Okay. Now look at this. We have x on the numerator. Correct? So if we can manage to create differentiation as x, then we can do something. Correct? So what we will do, we will take help of this component, means we will be taking z as x square. And look at the beauty of this assumption. You will have dz by dx equals 2x. Now look at this. Dz by 2 will become x dx. Now look at the beauty. You will have dz by 2 into 1 plus z square. Look at this. Done. So this way you have to think and analyze. Okay. So can I take 1 by 2 common, and we will be left with dz by 1 plus z square. Now try to recall those formulas that you have memorized. So we have dz by 1 plus z square. So it reminds you of tan inverse x. So can I write 1 by 2 tan inverse z plus integration constant c? Now look at this. You know that this cannot be the answer because it was your choice to introduce z, but they have asked question in terms of x. So you have to answer in terms of x. So what we will do? We will replace this z with something. So what is the value of z? It is tan inverse z is 1 plus x power 4. Okay, plus integrating constant c. I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situations.